Next is expression for Fermi factor at 0 Kelvin. Expression for Fermi factor at 0 Kelvin. It is important derivation, your exam point of view. So expression for the Fermi factor at 0 Kelvin, it is denoted as EF naught. EF Fermi energy at 0 Kelvin, it is denoted by like this. If we denote the number of electrons per unit volume, which in the range, energy range E and E plus dE, this is represented N of E dE, it is represented number of electrons per unit volume in the range E and E plus dE, then given by N of E dE. It is have the product, that is number of available states in the energy range, that is E and E plus dE, and into probability of occupation of those energy levels by the electrons. This is number of electrons per unit volume in the range E and E plus dE, and this is represents the number of available energy states in the range E and E plus dE. This is probability of occupation. This number of energy levels have the product is G of E dE into F of E. Okay. So next is number of electrons per unit volume of the material, that is N. Small n is the number of electrons per unit volume of the material, can be evaluated by integrating the above equation. ಇಲ್ಲಿ n ಗೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ರೇಂಜ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಇನ್ n there is no energy range. Okay, just we can evaluate n by integrating the above equation from energy is 0 to maximum energy, where maximum energy it is by the electron. Okay, so n is equal to integral E is equal to 0 to maximum energy N of E dE. The N of E equation 1, put it here. Okay, call it as equation 2. Next, F of E, we know that first case F of E is equal to 1, probability occupation F of E is equal to 1 at temperature 0 Kelvin. At this condition applied to above equation, F of E is equal to 1, so it's nothing but G of E dE into 1. G of E, you know, G of E is the density of states. Already we take equation, already we done the density of states, right? Density of state equation is given by G of E dE is equal to 8 square root 2 pi m power 3 by 2 by h the power 3 e power 1 by 2 into dE. This is density of state equation. This is keep in your mind and do practice. Okay, where m is mass of the electron, h is Planck's constant. This equation put in the above relation, n is equal to this equation, where there is e power 1 by 2 dE. Now integrating e power 1 by 2 with respect to e and put lower limit and upper limit. So when it integrate this above equation, we will get 2 by 3 e power 3 by 2. Okay. Now at temperature 0 Kelvin, the maximum energy that any electron of the material can have is EF naught. Hence is maximum energy is equal to EF naught. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ maximum energy na that is taken as Fermi energy at 0 Kelvin ಅಂತೇಳಿ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. So instead of E, there is to be take EF naught power 3 by 2. Okay, it is maximum energy. And simplifying this equation, pi by 3 EF naught whole power 3 by 2, ಈ EF naught power 3 by 2 ನ ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಕಳಿಸಿ ಈ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ರಿಮೂವ್ 3 by 2, raising the power 2 by 3 on both sides, raising the power 2 by 3 on both side. We will get this one, EF naught is equal to h square 8m 3n by pi whole power 2 by 3, equation 3. EF naught is equal to this all term is taken as constant term, that is b n power 2 by 3. N power 2 by 3 is an variable, that is n is an electron concentration, b is acts as a constant. So here h is constant, m is mass of the electron, h is Planck's constant, 2 value known. So the 2 value, put it here, simplify the equation, simplify the values, you will get some answer, that is 5.85 into 10 power minus 38 joule. It is constant B answer. Your final expression is Fermi energy at 0 Kelvin. Expression is EF naught is equal to B n power 2 by 3.